Consider the following two distributions of times it takes 6 students to get to school in the morning and to get home in the afternoon. The first thing it's asking us to do is visualize the means and variability. Draw a dot plot for each of the two distributions. Okay, that'll be easy. I put a red X next to the data set that we're going to be using for the dot plot for the morning. Let's do this thing. There you go, my dot plot is completed. Where did I get my numbers? From this data set right here. Boom. Okay, let's keep going. Now we're going to plot the data set for afternoon. Easy peasy, let's do this thing. Okay, I put my data where it needs to be, and I'm going to highlight the numbers in the data set that I used for that. So it should be pretty straightforward so far. Now it's asking us to find the mean for the morning. And you guys should already know how to do that. The numbers have already been organized for you. They're up here. There they are. If you want, you could rewrite them down below. Okay, so I rewrote the numbers. They're all in order. It's exactly the same as it was in the table. I just brought it down to make it easier for me to do my work right here, right now. The first thing you do is you add up all of your data points when you're looking for mean. Wow, that was easy. And now you divide by how many data points you have in your data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you have it. The mean for the first dot plot that represents the times in the morning is 14. Let's find out what the mean for the afternoon is. First step, I add all my data points just like last time. And wouldn't you know it, we got 84. I wonder what the mean is going to be. Oh my goodness, we have 6 data points. Wow, the mean is 14, just like the first one. But does that mean that the two charts, the two data sets, are exactly the same? No, of course not. The heck? They're not the same, and I'll show you why. So in statistics, we have a word, variability. So variability is basically how far a number or numbers are away from the mean. Okay, so you tell me, which data set has numbers that are farthest away from the mean, which in this case is 14? The morning data set or the afternoon data set? Well, right off the bat, I can tell that the afternoon has greater variability because both the highest and the lowest number are farther away from the mean, which is 14, than the data set for the morning. When it comes to comparing two data sets with the same mean, the data set that has the least variability is the most precise and most reliable. So, which one is the most precise and most reliable? The data set for the morning, because it has the least amount of variability. Let me teach you a quick trick that won't work forever, but it will work for now. One way to test for variability is to use the range. Now, the range is not the most accurate way to test for variability, but for now, it's going to work for you. So find the range of both the data sets and compare the ranges. The data set with the lowest range is your winner. That's the one that's the most precise and most reliable, which in this case, again, is which one? The morning, right? The morning is 6, the afternoon is 18. Let's go back up to our problem. For which distribution does the mean give a more accurate indicator of a typical time? Explain your answer. Well, which data set had the least variability? The one for the morning, right? And its range was the lowest, had a range of 6, while the one for the afternoon had a range of 18. So, what's our answer? Basically, what my terrible handwriting is trying to tell you is that the dot plot for the morning is the most accurate because it has less variability, which means that the data points, they're not as spread out, they're more concentrated, they're together. Okay? Another way to find out, at least for now, which dot plot is the most accurate, you look at the range. The dot plot with the lowest range is usually going to be the most accurate one. Now, this won't work forever, so enjoy it in 6th grade while you can. Okay, I hope that was helpful. I'll talk to you later. Bye.